Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we've been on a little hiatus, as you might recall. We were in the United States for a few weeks and we just got back yesterday. We still haven't unpacked our suitcases because we wanted to show you guys what we brought, because now this is everything that we will be using for the next year. So we had to be really selective with what we brought back. We even bought a brand new suitcase just to make sure we had enough space for everything we wanted. But yeah, this is everything we will be owning for the next year. The first 3 months we lived out of 2 backpacks and 1 suitcase, and now we have these 2. We took this one back with us mostly empty so we could bring a bunch of stuff back. Then we just had personal items in these backpacks, so it was just like these packing cubes with our clothes and toiletries and stuff in those. But I want to show these because if you don't have a set of these are really awesome because they keep all your clothes organized in them. You just roll them up and throw them in, and then your clothes aren't all over the place, but we didn't have enough of those, so we did bring back more clothes, and you'll see they're kind of stuffed in and wedged in here to help protect some of the stuff we brought back. So I thought I'd show you so you get an idea of what we decided to bring if you're thinking of moving down here, what's worth it, what's not. So let's begin. Here is our first suitcase. Here is another packing cube with more clothes. So what I did when I went back is I packed more shorts because they are definitely a necessity down here, and I only had 2 pairs, so I brought back quite a few there. And then cotton clothes are really going to be king down here because they're more breathable and you will be sweating a lot, so I definitely picked up more of my cotton clothes that I had in storage. And then just more comfy clothes and more workout clothes. I have some flowy pants, and then a bunch of workout clothes in here. So I'm just gonna pull everything out as I talk about it. More cotton shirts, yes. And then we are going to a wedding in April, so we also had to pack nice clothing for that and think ahead because we didn't want to have to figure out buying it here, buying it there, or trying to go back in between. So Daniel has his nice dress pants here and a tie. But if you don't have a special event to go for, you won't need to pack these. Then we bought this while we were back there, a keyboard for our iPad because Daniel didn't have a laptop anymore, so we wanted him to be able to use something to type on, and it's been awesome so far, so we just threw that in there. More swimsuits because it's nice down here and you want to go swimming. We've got some notes, we've got the ocean, and we have a pool now, so picked up some more that I had there. Where do I set everything? It's gonna be a huge pile to the side of me. Oh, and then flowy dresses, because ladies, I just brought this one back. These are amazing because you get a breeze and tight clothes stick to you. It's not fun. And this is Daniel's nice shirt for the wedding. Okay, now here's the good stuff. We brought back a bunch of kitchen stuff. Oh my god, guys. How did this shirt end up with us again? Okay, we haven't put this video out yet, but probably by the time you see this video, it'll be up. I was talking about this shirt and how I didn't need to pack it in the first place because it's not a breathable fabric. And I was taking it back to our storage in Kansas to not have it here, and somehow it's in our suitcase again. Did I do this? Did you do this, Daniel?
I think the shirt is haunted.
Why is it following me? I don't want you anymore. You're not comfortable. You're too hot. Okay, well, anyway, kitchen stuff. This is what we needed because we cook a lot, and it's just, I don't know, we prefer pots and pans and stuff. It's not as good quality, and I don't know, all these little things just add up in cost. Since we use them all the time, we wanted to put them in a storage and bring them back. So. And
those measuring cups are cool. They're collapsible.
Look how cool that is. Yeah, so these are perfect for putting them into the suitcase. So they didn't take as much room, so that was awesome.
Our cooking situation's been a mess. We've just been using paper cups to measure everything. There's no markings on them, of course.
Yeah. It's not great. So now we can actually measure. I can bake again, so that's nice. We got silicone spatulas and whatnot. These are really nice, I guess, gloves for grilling, but we love them just for our oven because they go up to 400, 500 Fahrenheit for heat. So that is nice to have. We just had a cheap oven mitt from Walmart. Oh, here's Daniel's nice belt that he wrapped around some of our silverware. If I can get it off, I'll just take everything out of it. So we've been using plastic silverware, like reusable plastic that we bought from Walmart, and we just had a set of 4, so we're like going through them really quickly. So we saved our silverware. They are pretty heavy, so we didn't bring back our full set, but I think we have like 4 of each again.
Yep.
Just so we have some extra, and then I have reusable straws that I had been meaning to bring back. Because, you know, since we're so close to the ocean, I'm really trying not to use those plastic straws anymore, so.
You can see some measuring teaspoons in there as well.
Measuring spoons, so that is nice, and then scissors. We brought back more pairs of shoes, a lot of like flip-flops that you can see in here. Dana has some tennis shoes now. We walk everywhere, so definitely bring back more shoes than you think you need, because I think you'll go through them a lot faster if you're not planning to bring a car.
My shoes have been getting gross because I wear them every day here.
Yeah, mine too, after only 3 months, so shoes are a must. This is our knife sharpener, so we brought back extra knives. I'm not sure where we put them, just my swimsuit bottoms, more clothes. Oh, here's our knives. Okay, so we wrapped them up in a dish towel, so yeah, definitely if you have a good pair or good set of knives, bring those.
I've missed those.
I know. Another tie, and just like more clothes and stuff. We have a sushi roller, and
that was a necessity, obviously.
Yeah, necessity. Because yeah, you can find the nori sheets here, so you can make sushi. This is our garlic press roller thing. You know, like you roll it and like chops up garlic. It's amazing. So we needed that. This is just our little selfie stick that we actually have like never used, but whatever. My hair dryer, necessity. More packing cubes. I just think they're awesome. They're so nice. You know, we clearly didn't use it, but. And then this is our little food processor. We had a bigger one, but we figured for now we'll just bring in this one because it gets the job done. And we like to make our own dressings and soups and stuff, and we could maybe make smoothies in this. Did I say smoothies or smoothies?
I think you said soothies, which
smoothies.
We can make those too.
You could soothe yourself with this as well. And then I have no idea what we wrapped in here. Oh, I think this is the, okay, you'll see in the next bag, but this is a lid to a pot we brought. So we just wrapped that up in another beach towel. And then, yeah, I just have more flip-flops and some toothbrushes here. So that's it for that bag. Now we have this big boy. And if you need a big suitcase like this, go to, what was it, Ross? That we got it at? Ross, Marshalls, or whatever?
We went to Ross, which is like a TJ Maxx where they sell discounted name brand stuff.
Yeah, and this was only $50, which everywhere else it was like $80, $100, so good deal. Okay, so yeah, there was just toiletries around stuff in here. We already took them out, so it looks more empty. But yeah, we just stuffed in clothes all willy-nilly to help protect stuff. So again, more cottony stuff, just more like flowy clothes to wear because it's hot. And I'm just gonna dump everything everywhere. Okay, something that was a necessity that we protected in here was some peanut butter, because all we can find is like Jif and Skippy, or I don't even know what they're called. Jiffy? Skippy?
We just found Jiffies of peanut butter.
Yeah, so I really like the all natural peanut butter, and so when we were back, we went to Whole Foods and we got, it's just peanut butter, so there's no added salt or oil, and I love it, and so we taped it up real good and brought it back, because I think like you can bring food and stuff back, you can bring the spices, but you can't bring like seeds or anything, but this was okay, so we packed it up and it'll be gone in a week, but.
That was a big debate when we were leaving if we should take our spice rack. It consisted of probably 15 or 18 little vials of spices.
I know. I thought we were going to bring it back, but we decided against it. It would be kind of heavy, and they were all like glass, so we tried to avoid bringing glass back. More clothes in there. And then this pot, so that is the lid.
We can make soups again.
And we can make soups and like big stews and stuff. We love this. So I guess it's hard to find good like stainless steel pots and pans here, or they're super expensive. So
plus I have a weird attachment to that. That's my favorite cooking pot.
I know, we cook in it all the time, so I'm glad we have this again. Okay, and then another thing that's hard to find is good quality towels here. So we brought back, I think, other than the beach towel, we brought back 3 bath towels as well, and then some hand towels and stuff. Because otherwise, I think like Costco and Sam's Club have good towels, but they are kind of pricey, and you have to have a membership there. So since we already have all these nice towels, we decided to save them and bring them back. So like we have all these nice these blue towels are really awesome. So yeah, more clothing stuffed around them. I'm just gonna start throwing things into the other suitcase. So and then what is this?
My prized possession right here.
I know, yeah. Da, 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 da. It's the rice cooker. It can also be kind of used as a crock pot and stuff. So I don't know, we'll try to get more fancy with what we cook in it.
I've heard you can bake cakes in there, so I guess we got to try that out.
Bake a cake, but I don't know. This was the best rice cooker ever. And then I think we stored some stuff in. Oh yeah, this is the stuff for the wedding I'm in. If you see this, I brought my bangles and everything that I have to wear for the wedding. My friend is having a traditional Indian wedding, and I get to wear these gorgeous bangles, so I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I'm making sure that I have these for the wedding day. And then here's like the like spatula. Did we actually bring the rice spatula?
About that, I couldn't find the rice spatula.
Oh no, okay, we don't have the rice spatula. This thing like went on the edge to hold it, and then like the measuring cup for the rice. And then because our oven here doesn't have an actual like temperature gauge or whatever on it, like it's just 1 through 5 for the oven, I brought back a little oven thermometer that will like hang in the oven.
I'm pretty sure that's 1 degree Kelvin, 2 degree Kelvin, 3 degree Kelvin.
Kelvin?
Isn't that how that works?
I don't think it's that intense. Brought back a book that we're reading. More clothes. Let me see if there's any last bits of advice. I guess this is shoes, and I don't know why I brought a pair of jeans as well. But don't do that. Just bring 1 pair of jeans. That's all you need. But yeah, I think, and then just like bits of rings, like flosser things, and then like chip clip things. Anyway, yeah. So that is everything that we'll be using for the next year. I don't think we'll really have a chance to bring anything else back. So this is what we considered necessity to keep. Anything else, Daniel?
The biggest piece of advice for packing: use your clothes, and if you bring a beach towel, use your beach towel to pack in all your delicates. Mm-hmm. Get creative with how you pack so you can get the most out of what you're packing. Yeah,
exactly. So, and these 2 bags actually, like we were afraid about the weight limit, but I think like this bag was 47 pounds.
It was 45 and 42.
45, and I think this one was actually lighter, and it was 42. So we did good, because we were considering bringing back our Pyrex, the like glass reusable food storage containers, but those are pretty heavy, so that might have put us over the 50-pound weight limit on the flight. So even though I wish we had them, we'll just buy some containers at Walmart, because they do have stuff like that here.
One more important thing we brought back.
Yeah.
Reach in my backpack real quick.
What do you want?
It's on the top. You'll see immediately.
Spot it?
Yes.
This?
The most important piece of the most important item we brought back.
Is
Spot it.
Spot it. If you haven't played this game, it's so fun, and it's like so small, and it's a really easy game where you just like match shapes.
It's my favorite type of game. You can learn the rules in about 30 seconds, and each game lasts 60 seconds.
But it gets real competitive.
It does.
Especially when you're playing games.
We filed divorce papers before playing this game.
That's right. We signed prenuptials because of this. No. But yeah, like we brought back some like fun stuff too to enjoy. Oh, and then we did bring back I think we brought back some more electronics. Well, I guess it was just like that thing, but electronics are more expensive here, so definitely bring this with you.
Brought my iPad actually.
Yeah.
It was just in storage for the past 3 months.
That's right. Yeah. So those are our tips and advice for what to bring when you're moving to Mexico. So if you want to follow our adventures and see what we're up to while we're living here in Cancun, Mexico, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button or the thumbs up and hit the bell so you're notified every time we put out a new video. And we'll see you guys later. Bye!
Rachel doesn't know I snuck away to the bedroom, but she also had to bring this stuffed animal. She sleeps with them every night.
Hey, that's my baby! Okay. Horse head.
Moon. Dragon. Snowflake.
Okay.
Oh, I said it first. I said it
mine
first.
went down first.
Balloon. I hate you right now.
Oh, sun.
Lightning bolt. Tree. Balloon.
No, balloon. Dog.
No.
Dog.
Fire.
Lightning bolt.
Lightning bolt.
Ah.
Get out of here.
Ah.
Lightning bolt.
No. Anchor.
Lips.
No. This game is rigged.